The partnership with Sonic and Energica is just perfect. What we're here doing now, it's exactly what we were missing and what we need now. Because finally, everything is very in order, everything is efficient, and that's what we need to grow so fast. What we really like with the brand Sonic is the quality and the workflow that is finally really efficient. So finally we have a real partner. Everything is very easy and flowing continuously, so everything that we really need, they immediately reply and support us, so it's real perfect service and support for growing production like what we have. If we talk about MotoE and so the racing department, well, there we have a really rush time, and we are always working on several things all together with very limited time, so timing is all. So a perfect, efficient workflow and environment is absolutely the key of the job that we have to do for MotoE. So here again, it's completely different than before, and things are going very easily and much quicker than before. If I have to tell you what's the difference, I can show you actually. So here, very easily, I can find what I need, and I can immediately see if something is missed and easily take it off and put it again in the right place. So everything is very ordered and everything is in the right place. So here again, it's all about efficiency and quality. So besides having the best and highest quality tools, working tools, you also have fast. You are faster and more efficient at doing everything. And again, here what we have to do is growing continuously and going faster and faster, and this makes the difference for people that have to work continuously and always increasing their working procedures and workflow. What Sonic makes the difference is also the modular storage solution. That is this. So you can see that we work together with them, asking our real needs, and they work together with us to try to customize as much as possible thanks to their modular solution. And this makes the difference because you really find what you really need.
We are very happy of this technical partnership with Sonic since we were really looking for a partner that could give us what we were looking for.
We also appreciate the warranty solutions that Sonic offered us, again, completely different from the competitors. So here we can find together with them the right support, service, maintenance, and of course warranty solutions. And so it's very important to have the right conditions also for the future.
With Sonic we have met 100% of our needs. So mainly the organizations, the tool, the quality, and all the real needs that we were facing in this period have been excellently met by Sonic.
Every year we have to go faster and faster and faster. And to do this, you need the right partners, you need the right suppliers, and you need the right working environment. So with this solution, we are quite sure that we can increase year by year and continue like what we have done so far, or even better.